Yes, I think we can't list them all, but yes, this happens all the time. And as we've been saying on the panel probably 10 questions ago, do your homework. Make sure you know everything about that device, its track record, published papers, research on it, and then you can tighter down the overhype and see if it is hype or not. But don't get crazy over this, because there are good devices out there and that do well. So you have to sort out from the field.
It's discouraging is to tell patients that despite the fact they can get on their smartphone and do all these great things, that we don't have laser treatments or these sophisticated futuristic treatments for skin tightening or melasma. Those are probably the two things I'm an abject failure at. Or maybe the device is an abject failure, not me. But I have to discourage patients from even doing treatments in some of those areas and tell them we just don't have the technology. And they may go somewhere else and do something, but I don't want to be the person being part of the problem. I mean, sometimes we all are, I think, because we hold on to that hope that maybe we're going to be the one to break the code for some of these problems. But it's really challenging to tell a patient that we don't have the technology to do some of the things that we really should at this point, and maybe light and lasers aren't the answers for some of these problems.
And I think the overhype comes from the companies and the media. You know, sometimes, you know, a product will go on, you know, Oprah's gone, but it would go on Oprah or a show, and it was, I mean, I knew that was 5 years ago, it doesn't work very well, but then the patient comes in and they want that procedure, and I'm like you, Vic, I'll be like, you know, I don't believe this works, and so sometimes you're the bad guy. You know, remember Fraxel came out and it was going to be better than a facelift. I don't even use the Fraxel non-ablative for wrinkles, it doesn't work. So I think we have to be, as the physicians, the ethical ones that stand up and use it for a few months and then say what it does and doesn't do.
And some of the overhype with cool sculpting, it helped to increase my liposuction practice. A lot of patients go, oh, can you do this? No, but we can do surgery for this. So I think, you know, ethics and, you know, discuss with your patient and being a good doctor, it still makes sense.